Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cookies business. Begin by choosing a profitable niche and testing recipes frequently. Build a basic business plan with pricing, costs, and sales channels listed. Set up reliable bookkeeping and a separate business account to track income and expenses. Prioritize customer feedback and iterate on your most popular flavors until you find consistent demand. Optimize your kitchen workflow by organizing stations for mixing, baking, and cooling to save time and reduce errors. Order core ingredients in bulk to lower per cookie cost while keeping a small inventory for specialty items. Train helpers on hygiene and portion control so every cookie meets your standard. Track yield per batch and adjust recipes to balance taste, cost, and shelf life for reliable customer satisfaction. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more baking business tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing cookies and preventing crumbs from making a mess during deliveries, and they stack neatly for small kitchens. They keep shapes intact and make sample transport effortless, saving you time and worry. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create an online storefront and list clear prices, options, and shipping policies to build trust quickly. Photograph cookies in natural light and write concise descriptions highlighting texture, allergens, and serving suggestions. Use social media to showcase behind-the-scenes baking and customer reactions to grow an audience. Consider collaborations with local shops and offer promos like sampler boxes to convert curious tasters into repeat customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.